Previously on Lightning Point.
Come on.
I'll hide it until we figure out what to do.
Where did you get this?
From your boat. What is that?
I don't know, but it came out of the lighthouse, and it zapped me.
Are you sure you're okay? You didn't get hurt?
Hurt, no. Affected, yes. I've got powers, Luca. I can make things move. Hey Luca, check this out.
I'm kind of busy.
Give me 30 seconds. Trust me, you'll love it.
What? You want a round of applause?
It's pretty impressive, don't you think?
What I think is that you've been playing superhero since you discovered that card.
I've got power, I might as well use it.
You don't know what you're doing. This stuff could be dangerous.
Hasn't hurt me so far.
The least you could do is try and figure it out first.
You're the boy genius, figuring out is your job.
Well, could you at least call it while I try?
Let me think about it. No.
Brandon, why?
I don't understand you. This has more advanced technology than we've ever seen. Don't you want to find out what it can do?
What if it means someone gets hurt?
It's all good, don't worry. I've got it under control.
Sure you have. Till it all goes wrong.
Luca, come on.
No prizes for guessing who that'll be.
It's Brandon.
Like I said.
He wants to go for a surf. I'd better get going.
Wait. So, Brandon just snaps his fingers and you go running?
Running is an exaggeration.
If I were you, I wouldn't jump every time he calls.
I don't jump.
Yes, you do.
We're just going for a surf. It's no big deal.
You're getting better every day.
Soon I'll be up to your standard.
Well, I wouldn't say that.
Not scared of a little competition, are you?
Hey, it's the Lovebirds. So, does this make it official? Brandon and Zoey, Lightning Point's newest couple?
Yeah, I guess it does.
Man, nobody tells me anything.
We've been keeping things pretty quiet until now.
Not that many people know.
Well, it's time that all changed. Maybe we should be celebrating.
We?
I'm all for it. What do you reckon?
I don't really know too many people here yet.
You could be a three-headed alien and Lightning Point would still want to throw you a party. Right?
Right. Leave everything to us. We'll do all the organizing.
You sure?
Any excuse for a party.
Absolutely.
There you go. Too easy.
Okay, so 2 separate deliveries of Mia's veggie pizza, arriving about an hour apart, plus a few bowls of nachos. Got it.
Great. Thanks. You're an angel.
Yeah, something like that.
So that's food, drinks, music.
And I posted a group invite on your profile page.
Great. There's just one thing left to do.
A party.
Zoey and Brandon are officially going out.
Yeah, I figured.
Nothing much gets past you, Mum.
If you say so.
Anyway, we thought we'd get a few friends together to celebrate. It's not a party as much as a low-key get-together. Really casual, nothing too big, just a handful of people, really.
Amber, stop talking. Alarm bells are going off in my head.
And you're on the late shift tomorrow, so...
Thanks for reminding me.
What kind of daughter would I be if I didn't make sure your shifts work around my social calendar?
I'll agree on one condition.
That I keep everything under control and don't let the house get trashed.
That's the one.
Don't worry, Mum. My friends are very responsible. That's the last of the spring rolls.
Where'd all these people come from?
Social networking. The word spreads like wildfire. Can you hand these mini quiches around?
Sausage rolls and samosas ahoy.
You're a lifesaver.
I need to know you're not going to do anything crazy tonight.
Me? Crazy?
I'm serious, no hocus pocus tonight. Brandon,
Relax.
promise me.
Just give me some credit. Nothing's gonna happen. Quit stressing. Hey. Wanna dance?
Sure.
Hey, where's Kiki?
In there somewhere. Here. Circulate.
Well, it's the happy couple.
Madison, what are you doing?
I heard it was an open house. Is there a problem?
I don't know. Is there?
Any animosity between us is in your imagination, Brandon.
Then you're not here to cause trouble?
Don't flatter yourself. I've moved on.
I've heard that before.
This time it's true.
It's okay. Brandon, if Madison's prepared to move on, I am too. Make yourself at home.
Thanks. I will.
She's smiling and being nice.
No. It's unnerving.
Oh, come on, you two. It's a good thing. She's moved on. I'm just glad we've been able to put our differences aside.
Call me crazy, but I'm not buying Madison's big act. She's being too nice.
Maybe you two are being too hard on her. Maybe she's changed. Impossible.
No way.
Oops. Can I interest you in anything?
Oh, what?
We need to talk.
Brandon, I'm flattered, but shouldn't Zoe be the one you're dragging off to a quiet corner?
What are you up to, Madison?
I'm sorry?
This whole nice thing. It's just not you.
I told you I'm cool with the whole you and Zoe thing. I'm getting on with my life. Do you really find it so hard to believe that I've moved on?
Yes, I do.
I'll always miss what we had. But I've come to terms with it.
Really?
Yeah, I'm happy you're happy.
Thanks, Madison.
Friends?
What are you doing?
Let's just put ourselves out of our misery and admit we're both still really into each other.
What?
I know you miss me. How could you not? We're perfect.
I knew it.
Just stop fighting it, Brandon.
That's enough. I don't want to hear anymore. I want you to leave.
Wait.
You are the one that dragged me in here. Don't walk away from me. What's this?
It's nothing. Just give it to me. Madison? Madison? Excuse us.
What? What'd you do?
Madison's gone.
Isn't that a good thing?
No, not gone. Gone, disappeared, vanished into thin air.
How?
She grabbed me and the card fell out. I tried to get it off her and
What did you do?
I don't know, 1 minute she was here and then you have to figure out how the card works right now. We have to get it back, man.
Okay, just chill and don't do anything. Sorry, can I borrow her for a sec?
Brandon has a plasma card? Since when?
The other day.
And you didn't tell us?
I was going to, but I promised you.
This is a disaster.
How was Brandon able to operate a plasma card?
I don't know, but somehow he made Madison disappear.
Sure he didn't do it on purpose?
It was an accident. The plasma card fell out of his pocket and he zapped her.
Lost somebody?
No. I just haven't seen Brandon for a while.
Me neither. At least, not since he left the room with Madison. Oh, sorry. I shouldn't have said that.
It's fine. Brandon can talk to whoever he wants.
Still, it's gotta hurt, right? You throw your first party as a couple and he disappears with his ex.
I told you. It's fine.
Suit yourself.
I've been looking everywhere for you.
I lost track of time.
While you were with Madison.
Madison and I just needed to talk.
Where is she now?
Gone.
Gone.
I asked her to leave
But why?
because,
Because you were uncomfortable with her here?
yes, I was uncomfortable, so I asked her to go.
Does that mean you still have feelings for her?
What? No, of course not.
Then why would you care where she goes?
I don't.
I think I need a little bit of space.
Zoe, wait.
There you are.
Amber! What are you up to?
Urgent girl talk.
Oh.
I don't believe it. It's true. Brandon cloaked Madison.
This is giving me the creeps. I mean, she's in here somewhere.
She can't see or hear us.
Why doesn't that make me feel any better?
I tried to decloak her with our card, but it didn't work. We need to see Brandon's card.
Give me the card.
What for?
Do you want my help or not?
What if you zap yourself?
I'll be careful.
Wait, I'm going with you.
No, go back to the party.
Why can't I come?
No, we don't want to cause any suspicion, do we?
What are you gonna do?
I'm going to try and get you out of this mess.
This thing's ancient. These haven't been used on Luminan for years.
Does the age affect how it works?
It shouldn't.
Well, we know the cloaking device still works.
Could you guys give us a minute?
What?
We want you to leave.
You're throwing us out.
We need to speak in private. Please?
Fine. We humans will wait outside.
to do?
How do you like that? Kicked out of my own room.
They're trying to help us.
Their technology caused this.
No, Brandon caused this.
He shouldn't be messing with things he doesn't understand.
Tell me about it.
This is not how I saw this party turning out.
Let's just hope they can bring Madison back.
What if they can't? I'm gonna be sharing a room with her. Whatever she is. That's it. I'm going in.
Wait, they told us to wait here.
Last time I checked, this was my house. Okay. What's going on?
We can't use this plasma card.
Brandon can, so what's the problem?
Yeah, can't you just tell me how to get him to reverse the clocking?
No.
We can't allow Brandon to operate the card again.
This is powerful technology, and in the wrong hands, anything could happen.
Guys, we can't just leave Madison like this.
What is it you're not telling us?
Oh, perfect. Mum's leaving work early. We've got to get Madison back now.
You don't understand.
No, you don't understand. Mum's on her way home, so unless you'd like me to explain to her how Madison disappeared into thin air, you better do something.
Have you seen Zoe? Is she missing too?
We can't find Madison either.
But I saw you two together. Is that right? Oh, Madison and Zoe, hey? You're smooth, man. Real smooth.
Let's get one thing straight. Zoe's my girlfriend.
Excuse us.
I'm going crazy, man. What's happening?
I've done some research.
And?
We're gonna try something.
Okay, party's over. Everybody out. Sorry, we didn't get to hang out properly.
Don't worry about it. All right, I like that you got your own thing going on. But maybe you could squeeze a juice date into your hectic schedule sometime?
Sure.
Tell me exactly what happened with Madison before she disappeared.
That whole nice girl thing, that was just an act.
I need it in detail.
She was going on about how we were the perfect couple and how we should both stop pretending and admit we still have feelings for each other.
So, when she was saying all of this, what were you feeling?
I don't know.
Just try and remember.
I don't know. Just angry.
Good. Good. Let's go with angry. Now try and remember more.
I don't want to hear anymore. I want you to leave.
Wait, don't walk away from me. What's this?
It's nothing. Give it to me. And she was gone.
Calm down.
Calm down. Madison's missing. The house is a mess, and Mum's about to walk through that door any minute.
We've given Luca his instructions. He'll carry them out.
But will it bring Madison back?
There are no guarantees.
Do you have to be so honest?
We can't help Luca anymore, but we can help you get this place cleaned up.
We were only supposed to have a few friends over. Mum's never going to let me have another party when she finds out the whole town showed. She's right behind me, isn't she? Hi, Mum.
You need to be intuitive. You have to really want her back.
You mean like thought control?
Focus on all the nice things about her.
Nice things.
Brandon, please, work with me.
I guess her smile is pretty nice.
It's working. Try harder.
She rides a pretty mean wave.
Keep going.
she can be pretty funny. And she's a good friend when she's not being, you know, Madison.
What happened?
I can explain.
Oh, and you will. Tomorrow. But right now, I'm tired. And clean up this mess.
One minute you were fine. The next minute you fainted.
I did?
Yeah, you went all woozy and floppy.
The important
and
thing is you're okay now. You do feel all right, don't you?
I feel fine. Just like I've had a really good sleep.
Great. Well, we'll see you later.
Wait! What about the party?
Oh, it's over.
But...
This isn't what it looks like.
It's okay.
It is?
See you tomorrow.
I'm glad that's over.
I owe you big time.
Yeah, you do.
How'd you figure out what to do with this thing?
Let's just go with I'm a genius. You gotta stop messing with that card. What you did to Madison, that can't happen again.
It won't.
Good.
Luca, you can't expect me to just stop. Not now.
What?
We're a team, you and I. We back each other up. And what we did tonight, it was amazing. This is only the beginning.
What a night. Tell you what, if I never have to have another invisible Madison in my bedroom again, it'll be too soon. But I can't believe you guys weren't going to help get her back.
We had our reasons.
I'd like to hear them. What's going on? Come on, guys. I know you well enough to know there's something you're not telling me.
The card Brandon found in the lighthouse is encrypted. He's the only one who can use it.
But as a human, he shouldn't be able to.
But it's an old card. Maybe it's different somehow.
It takes Luminan DNA to activate these.
Wait, you mean...
Brandon has Luminan powers.
That's not possible. He grew up here.
And his dad?
Was from Lightning Point. He was human.
His mother wasn't from around here.
That doesn't mean she came from...
She must have. It's the only way any of this makes sense.
Brandon is half human, half alien.
And now he's got control of an encrypted plasma card. He could be really dangerous.